Avid, meaning pronunciation, Avid. Avid means being very eager or passionate about something. It describes someone who is really interested in a particular activity, hobby, or subject. Simple meaning, avid equals enthusiastic / passionate / really interested. Common uses. 1. Avid adjective, showing strong interest or enthusiasm for something. Example, she is an avid reader. 2. Avid adjective, showing intense desire or craving for something. Example, he is an avid football fan. Examples, daily use sentences. 1. He is an avid photographer and loves capturing nature. 2. She is an avid traveler, visiting new countries every year. 3. I am an avid learner of new languages. 4. John is an avid player of video games. 5. She has an avid interest in science and technology. Real-life explanation. When you say someone is avid, it means they love or care deeply about something and spend a lot of time or effort on it. For example, an avid reader is someone who loves to read books very often.